we're going to blast this 69 Ford pickup for this auto body shop here in our town. We'll go ahead and do a walk around on it. You guys can take a look and see how rusty it is, and then see how it turns out in the end. We're going to start with hitting it with 60 grit sand, and then we're going to hit it with recycled purified glass for the last blast on it. Anyways, we're going to start on the inside of this bed that's super rusty. We're going to hit it with 50 grit sand. We'll do the whole body of this and inside, and we'll be working on the cab itself and a couple doors and the rear tailgate. That in these beds there's so many angles with the detail of the bed that you got to go down one side and you got to go down the other. Bed's super rusty, so this is going to take the longest. You'll see that the body panels where the white paint is, it comes off no problem. Anybody who thinks that swinging a 2-inch black hose in the rear of a rusty truck that is higher than its fun is higher than draft, but this is a lot of work right here. It's going to take me just as much time to do all this detail in this rusty ass bed than it is to do this whole truck. That's what we signed up for, so here we go. I don't know if you can hear me, but every 30 to 45 minutes I run through a pot of material. There's a little bit of water and rust inhibitor left in the bottom of the tank, and I'll use that to rinse off any of the excess sand so I can see what I'm doing, because when it's wet it just builds up. So you can see how long it's taking me to take this rust off the bottom of the bed. compared to what it took me to do that side panel. Did basically those two side panels had half the time that I did that rust right there. One rib at a time. When you're having something blasted, any right angle, any corner, or anything takes twice as long than a flat panel, because you got to hit all sides. You can't just go over the, the width of the blast. right, you guys, so we took a stop on the bed on the inside where it was really rusty. We're going to start doing all these smaller panels and the truck, and then whatever material we have left, we're going to waste it on the inside of that rusty bed, because it's taking far too long. I was in there an hour and a half, so in an hour and a half I'm hoping to have, you know, the majority of all the white taken off this truck, but we'll see how it goes. All right, everybody, the body came out great and the customer was happy with the results. Sometimes jobs just don't go exactly as planned, but that's part of running the business. We cleaned up, loaded everything up, got paid, and headed to the next one. That's another day in the life of Rusted Money Ranch, and I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.